All right. So for gold, it's going to fill out all of this daily wise. So daily, new highs. I'm going to fill all this out. Even if it does go down, still have the capability of going back up. We're going to go to 4 hour. Let's break it down. What the 4 hour showing us? 4 hour showing us this is not a place you would want to trade right now. And even so, even if you do want to trade, there's a breakout. Yeah, you don't want to trade right here. So at most, it's sold from here. This is a point where the market can go down. I'm not even saying that. Like right here, it breaks out from here and it goes down to here. It comes back up, it sells off, it comes down. But we gotta remember, overall trend is the it came here. It could have filled this up. But like I said, the overall trend is buy. So I really wouldn't try too much. But like the sales was pretty okay. Sell right here. Okay, so see it sold off from here. Boom, boom, boom. So 4 hour sales would have been here, came here. Nice little area because where it broke out is here. Tapped here. You wanted to come here, but like I said, it could have been a wick out. So this so one sells off here, it comes down again, sell off here, comes down, doesn't break, sell off. If it comes breaking this, you can see probably it can. If it breaks this, most likely it probably can. I could see market structure finishing this off, basically finishing off this push to here. I could see market structure finish it off, but like I said, I'm not. This can happen, but like I said, even if it happens, I wouldn't want to take the sell because it's so much in a buy momentum. I wouldn't even want to sell. Like, granted, this can happen, but like every opportunity ain't an A+ opportunity. So I would just wait. So this is more likable, like right here, because anything above here is here. Especially, let's go to we go to 4. It could be something like this. The sales, like the stop loss, it would be like super great. Cause this is nice right here. On it right here, it breaks out of here, it goes up, do another break, breaks here. Really, this would be like a stop loss right here. Stop, come here, come up, breaks here, go somewhere like right here. So you would kind of push this up somewhere like right here. Somewhere like right there, that's pretty okay. Silver, GJ. So GJ, I went back to break even. I entered, was down for the day, came up to today and closed out. Like I said, because it's making lower lows. It's still making like on a lower time frame. Granted, this can still come from here to here and fill out this. But I believe it might do. But uh, but it's making lower lows, so I'm not. I'm kind of patient or waiting. Cause look, high, high. It's not look. It's not making no high. So boom, boom. We thought it made a high here. It breaks here. That's why I entered. Boom, I entered this, and it does fill out. Cause look, boom, boom, makes high, doesn't break, comes here, come back, come here, fills here, and then comes, and I really got back here. So, granted, I love how DJ moves because even if it does want to go down now, I'm just optical, just waiting on GJ. We can't wait for some other pairs. GJ is just so smooth. And yeah, we just waiting on GJ. For gold, like gold, we're just being patient. I don't really care for the sell, like I said. Nas. Okay, so for Nas, so my boy, what's good? What's good? Like I said, we just went another break even on GJ. We was on GJ. We came here. It came back here today. I just went break even. Um, it just keep making lower lows, basically on a lower time frame. So I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna just wait out GJ. Like I thought it was gonna take off here, and then it didn't. And then I just woke up to a little bit like $50. I just closed out a little break even action. Um, Nas actually looks very good for a early entry. Uh, Nas look nice for an early entry. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is a good. I still think it's gonna go up, but I'm gonna just leave it alone for now because it just keep making lows. I still think it's gonna push it. Like it probably still can push, but I'm gonna just leave it alone because it looked like it doesn't want to break somewhere like around here. It's not really breaking, so I'm like, okay, I can still kind of buy because anything above here can go at least to here. But like I said, I don't know. I really should have just stuck with my instincts and just stayed in here because I still think this is gonna fill out. I still do because even if it do drop, let this fill out and then drop. But this break right here, it mainly just be sales. Like it just be straight sales because this sold off, breaking structure, and then if this breaks right here, it's gonna sell off. Yeah, I still think it was going up, but I ain't gonna lie. You got to be realistic. It was just my mental. You be down. I was down like 1,500. You come back to zero. It's like, man, let me just get up out of here. I still think it's gonna go up too, but bro, it's my I ain't perfect. Down 1,500. I'm like, if it break here, I probably lose like 1,008. I ain't tripping. And then it just came back to break even. So I was like, you know what? Let me just close out. I was down 1,800, 500. So I'm like, yeah. Because I still think this is going to go up. That's crazy. I still think this is going to go up. But I'm like, I got to leave this alone at this point because I got out. I was already scared. So I got out. Gold's been playing around for a long time. Yeah, gold's just been playing around. But if gold got the capability of doing this or doing this is more likely to happen. I don't know. Gold is just in a place you just don't want to touch it right now. Like you could have somewhat bought right here, but this was just like so quick it happened. You could have bought another one right here, but it was a quick fake wick. And then you see how it's just breaking structure from here. So you could have just sold off here. Boom. It still didn't hit here. But it's in such a bullish uptrend, I won't even fucking sell. Like if it does sell off though, just let it sell off. I still like buy. Like if it come here if price, it's just telling me it just followed what this was. So it just came here, broke off. If it hit here and doesn't break this, I'm gonna just buy it back up, basically. Because this is on the higher, this is on like the daily. So I really pray gold can drop, in all honesty. In all honesty, like it could buy here, but gold could do some shit like it could just come here, come down, come here, come down, come. If I know it comes down here and then it breaks here, it's not really going down no more. It's not because it would have because it's basically showing this is an uptrend. It's basically showing, bro. If I wanted to sell, it would have just kept going down. So it's up, breaks here, comes. It might come down a little bit at most. The lowest it could go here before it's a sell, and then I'll just buy up. That's just the benefit of having a long stop loss. Yeah, yeah. I don't think gold want to sell. Even if it does drop, I still don't think unless it breaks this number, I don't think it's gonna sell. I just truly don't. Because it just this is just the indication. Look at all of this. Like even if it come all the way back down, this was my first buy area. It just happened so quick. So if it come down here to fill out these cells, it just really retracing. Not just come buy back up here. But I'm trying to pass this challenge. I just never, bro. I didn't enter no trades in such a long time, bro. I really, it ain't nothing to trade. It's like I'm trying to be patient and not rush nothing. I'm like, damn, should I just trade another pair? But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just take my time. US 30, yeah, you just gotta be patient. US 30, I was debating on buying today, but I said I think it was the end of the day, so I was like, nah, I'm not gonna buy today. I don't know. US 30 is somewhat clean on a lower time frame. What I could do, I could low key just make this like a smaller stop loss off the lower time frame somewhere. But because if it does break this, it's gonna drop. But I want 30 to drop a little more, but I don't think 30 gonna drop. I don't think 30 is gonna drop. I think it's actually gonna break highs again and then maybe drop. Because I think Nas is gonna follow right up after it. Nas, I might. It is not an A plus setup if I do take this. Did I lose on Nas? Yes, I did lose on Nas. It came down here. You know what be crazy too? It's not even the fact I be losing. It's the fact I just can't hold it because the lot size on these prop firm accounts. Like if it came down here, I probably would have been down like 3,000 at most. But it's gonna come back here because I said as long as it doesn't break here and it's not breaking here, because it has to fill this out. Like the market is kind of simply easy. Well, no, it doesn't because it's ranging. That's why I exit low key because anything above here comes here. So it came here already one time. It don't have to keep doing it. As long as it do it one time, the market can do anything after that. That's why I was kind of looking for new highs. I really kind of scared to buy. That's why I like to buy early on this. Like my early buy on this would be off the hour though. I usually like enters off the 4 hour, but it'd be off the hour because you can see it's making lows, boom. It started making highs, boom, breaks, boom, breaks, boom, breaks. So anything here off the hour, and then really, mm, you can say somewhat this. Like if you want to be generous, this is a good stop loss. Like right here is a okay stop loss, but you want to be generous because it could just go wow bam. Like it could just wick right here, wick a little low, and then come up. That's what the market do. Right. So this would be a good buy right here. At least uh I don't know. It's like this is not even valid no more. This it's a nice one. This is not a bad trade. It's a nice 1-on-1. Let me delete this. I'll enter this. I ain't gonna delete it. I'm gonna just smaller it. So this is a nice trade right here. I like this. Mm, I just don't like it because it's not really in a bullish moment, man. It is. It is. Let's see. It comes up, comes down, comes up. Change the bullish. Higher time frame. Let me see. Let's look at the high. Yeah, it's still like sales. Like sales comes up. You see anything below here, it could come back here. So it sold, almost came back here, never came. But overall, the trend is still bullish. So I don't really give a fuck about selling. But this ain't really like the best setup. I could not lie. It's just an early setup. Like if I enter here and it gets here, I just close out at break even and then just hold this. Yeah, overall is bullish, but right now just sell, 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 sell. Um, I really think it's ranging. Like, look at overall is like you can tell overall is bullish, but as a like peak, like this is ranging, but it's still bullish because anything above here comes to here, comes here, boom, comes here, boom. I don't know how much times it's gonna do. I don't like it for the third time. I like it for the second time. Yeah, it got some move. Like at most, you can answer off a smaller time frame, the hour. This is. I was thinking about entering this today. I'd rather enter Nas because even if I do enter Nas and it hits here, I'm most likely could still hold. I can still hold till. Well, I don't give a fuck. I probably passed the challenge already. You can still hold to somewhat like right here, really even higher. You can really even stretch it, but that's what sells, sells. Let's see how the 4 hour look. Buy. You came above here. Boom. I bought. This was actually this was actually a good buy. I still look at this. This is a good buy because it broke out here, came down, came above, and it hit equal highs. I told you, as long as it hit equal highs, I could have closed out at break even. And then it came here. I'm like, oh, it hit equal highs again. I could have really closed out, but I knew it was gonna come back here. Like this, it could hit equal highs and then it could just shoot back down. As long as it hit equal highs, you could close it out, break even. But I'd be like, bro, the equal highs is so small. I don't want to like if the equal highs was like if it stopped like right here, came here, and then made an equal high, then came back down, I've already closed out. But the equal high be so damn small, it's like I'm not gaining nothing. Hey, let's look at some Bitcoin. So Nas, I might look at this tomorrow, see what it's talking about. So if it doesn't break here, like if it like I would love if Nas doesn't break here, like it's showing hella resistance and break above here. I will enter. I enter for sure. Gold. I don't think gold's gonna be ready till next week. 30. I still believe in 30. I was gonna enter 30 today. And 30 is actually showing some good resistance. If you want to do a smaller stop loss, could have did something like this. But 30 just have the capability of coming down here and just swiping back up. Cause look, 30, I love 30 a little more because 30, it already anything above here will go here. So and this is the second time. So it's above. So that's why I said price is going to come here at least. Like I said, it can come back down here, but it's gonna come here. And then as long as it come here and then go down, I don't give a fuck what it do. This is like guaranteed 90% is gonna touch it. Like guaranteed, this is hella guaranteed is gonna touch here. We just don't know when. That's why the stop loss is so big. They can enter here and make the stop loss small, and it could go down, and then it could just come back up. We could look at thing though. 30 US is clean. US is a it's it's guaranteed to hit here. It's like US 30 is a better setup, but the stop loss is just so crazy. It's guaranteed to most likely hit here. It's kind of guaranteed. Nas, it's like we don't know if we want to keep going down. Granted, it's making higher highs, but it's like, eh, I fought with the 30 because I feel like it's gonna happen. I just don't know if it come here, is it just gonna push up? It could just push up and just finally take it all. I think it might push up because it doesn't want to break here. Because even if it break here and it goes down, it's still a bullish move because look, it made new highs, and this is the low of the low. Like it's not gonna come lower than this before it comes break this. It had and it broke here already. 4 hour look nasty on it. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I'll buy tomorrow. Cause guarantee it at least could come here. And I might be done with that. Let's see. So I like 30. I still like Nas. Nas is good for like Nas would have been good like if I passed the challenge. I probably would have just entered this and just hold on this only trade. Like if it came here, I would have just went break even and said we just gonna hope for the best. It comes here, or because it can still go bullish. I meant bearish down, but overall it's bullish. So we're just gonna take that risk. You're gonna take the higher risk. Uh, let's see. He said, all right, let's look at Bitcoin, man. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. Um, I want to change up the live soon. I know I got another TikTok dropping tonight. I'm trying to change up the laws. Maybe we're gonna look at some news. It's like I be want to look at like the news, what's going on, but just do a little 10-minute news article. But I'd be like, man, I'm not really a news trader, but we could just look what's going on in the world and stuff. With like AI companies, learn about tech stocks and stuff. I probably do like a little 10-minute breakdown. Then I think I might have to just post a little more on TikTok, just consistently post. People be like post like 10 times. I don't be wanting to post 10 times a day. I'd be like, that's too much. I'm gonna just be saying BS at this point. But I should at least post like maybe like once a day. Try to get like once a day. Yeah, I'm a this what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to get like one video a day. At first, they was like post like 10 times a day. Maybe I could get in that state, but I'm gonna try to post one time a day. Cause at first I wrote it down. I'm like, man, I'm gonna just post like one video like every other day, but I'm gonna just post one video a day. See how that jump stride. TikTok show love, so maybe I could get followers a little faster up there. But I'm a post. I'm gonna try to post every day. I ain't gonna say starting this week, but I should say it. I should, but I know I'm gonna post tonight. Hopefully, we enter a trade. I could just post that tomorrow. I could talk about what is prop firms, what is candlesticks, stuff like that. I'm just breaking everything down. Simple shit. Mm. But yeah, let me see. For Bitcoin, uh, yeah, I think Bitcoin is gonna go a little lower, a little lower. It's been going low for about really like some month, like a month. Let's see. Yeah, it's been going low for a little month. Maybe drop a little more. Probably get Doge a little jump. Let's see what this. It was just 2,000 yesterday, looking straight like Bitcoin, but no, we get a little lower. Get a little lower action. Mm, we get another buy around 2,000. Let's see. Let's see, Solana. Yeah, everything look good. Solana, I love Solana if it hit like right here. That's just a guaranteed buy. I'm about to load up on crypto. Maybe buy a little $500 Solana right here. 500, maybe 40. 40 go to like, 150, 160. That's like 4x your money. Those go for probably 6x my money. Or 5 this year. I'm trying to. It's like damn. It's like I know I'm gonna make money this year, but like I said, I'm trying to be patient. It's like the challenge easy, but it's like, in all honesty, if you really want to be like a good trader, it's like you really just gotta wait for some nice setups, like some real nice setups. Like like the market, it moves every day, but you really have to wait. Like you really have to be patient, like dead ass. Like you really have to be patient. Yeah, you really gotta be like. I don't think it's some niggas could trade every day. It just I don't know. It's like I don't even want to do that shit no more. It's like you've been in the game so long. It's my bread and butter. I know I'm gonna make money most of the time trading this way. So it's like, yeah, it's just like I can't trade every day, bro. Cause one month I'll pass a challenge one week, and then I'll do the same thing. I'll be like, man, I'm just not even looking at structure. You think it's going up, but on a lower time frame it's going down. Right now, I'm just looking at the overall picture. And once I widened my stop loss, I kind of started winning. Cause this is the only one I lost so far. I didn't even enter this. Yeah. Oh no, I waited and then I went break even on this. I'm gonna delete this. I just don't like enter this. I think this is the only one I lost. Yeah, this is the only one I lost. Yeah, because that's what you really got to do. Like 30, like this. It's just the stop loss is very long, but it's like I know it's gonna come here. It's like even if it wants to come down here, it could come so down here, but the fact that it went up here, it has to come here. It just has to because it does this like a lot. It does this a lot, like super a lot. Like it just does this. Like it comes here, anything above here, it comes right back to highs. It does it right here. It does it so much on higher time frames. Like it comes here, breaks highs, come here, comes back, anything above here, comes right back here. Uh comes do this right here, comes down, breaks above, comes right back. Let's see. Sales. Like and then if it doesn't come, it just doesn't do it. It it just happens consistently. Like comes here, comes down, comes here. It's like we just waiting to be. It's really just a waiting fucking game. Especially if you just do the higher time frame. It breaks above, comes down, never it comes here, goes right back to highs. So basically, we're already here. It's just we wait until the morning. So the morning I just enter this. Nas, like if I entered this and it went up, Nas probably gonna go up. So I'll probably miss this. And then I'll probably just pass low key. I'll pass this. And then we'll probably just wait for gold, in all honesty. I don't like gold though because bro, that's I might not trade gold because the stop loss, I don't know. This amount of numbers on gold, like this is 5,000. This is like, god damn, that's like I don't know, bro. I don't know how much points that is. That's my like 200 points off what one lot, bro. I don't know how much that is. I don't know. Like gold, I can't really. It got to be like small, like. But and all of this is kind of bullshit. Like all of this is bullshit right now. Unless you entered down from here, it ain't bullshit. But because you'd have just entered here, like I still think it's gonna go up because it's more of a bullish trend. Like, cause it could come back, like it could come like this is a good entry. It comes here. Granted, it's gonna come here. It's going to come here. It's just gonna come back down. It can just come back down though, and then it could just come up. But at the end of the day, it's gonna come here. Yeah, I don't know. So I don't know if I might not even enter because the stop loss is so damn big, bro. I don't know if the challenge is willing for me to lose. What I got to get 200, and even that's a one lot, and that's the lowest. I don't even think that's 2,000. I think that's like 20. I don't know. I don't know. I gotta make sure. I don't know what every point is, but but imagine entering this off a pass jump. Oh my gosh, that's 400 points. Nah, I'd be rich. But yeah, I ain't even too mad, man. I've been stacking my bread up. I've been saving my bread for the real challenge. Really, I'm waiting till I pass this challenge to open up my real one again. So I'ma just keep I'ma just use my funded money, fund this one up, and keep trading the funded, make a little 2,000. That's it for real, for real. That's all I'm doing. But yeah, I want to change up the game, man. I'm really trying to lock in. Lock in. I'm gonna let the laws be the laws. I just do this because I'm trying to learn. I gotta look at the charts every day. I do it Monday through Thursday. The TikTok's gonna come in strong. I probably start like when I get more people, I'll probably start putting more stuff like into the live. Yeah, I'm gonna just do more like when I get more people, I'm gonna just do more for the live, like probably teach beginner shit and stuff like that. But right now, I'm gonna just say what I do every day. Yeah, my boy always here for the support, man. I fought with it, man. Uh, that shit be. It ain't hard. You just as long as you do what you love, man. Cause and even then nobody in here, I'ma just still do what I gotta do. Talk about the charts. Yeah, see what I talk like a people already in here. Shit, it could take a long time. It's just the authentic way. But yeah, yeah, that's all I probably be done for today, man. But if I can start getting, I'm gonna try to make like if I get like at least 10 people consistently in the live, repeated people. I probably add something and then make the lives like an hour every day. Cause y'all probably ask questions. Y'all probably could venture off the other shit. But yeah, I probably be done for today. I'm gonna just go ahead and edit this TikTok. Then I'll probably post that, and then I'll probably be. Yeah, I'm gonna be over here tomorrow. I don't know. Hopefully, we get this 30 tomorrow. But yeah, my boy, I'm gonna let you know how this joint these trades. Hopefully, something happen tomorrow. If it go down, I ain't gonna be mad either. But hopefully, something happen tomorrow. I'm gonna be out of here.